Versetta Stone can be cut with grinders, circular, miter saws, or wet saws equipped with diamond blades. If efficient dust control systems are not available, cut outdoors with proper respiratory protection. A minimum of an N95 dust particulate mask or better, depending on exposure levels. Color the ends using a matching color spray paint. After the cut, spray from the back side of the stone toward the face to avoid overspray on the front of the stone. To build an outside corner, start with the universal corner cut into two pieces. This creates a left and a right-hand corner. These form corners when the finished end overlaps the cut end of a standard panel. Straight runs use standard panels installed into the groove of the starter and to the groove of the stone below. Panels larger than 18 inches require 4 fasteners, with 2 of the 4 fastened into the framing. When butting a universal panel up to a cut piece or a corner, you will need to remove the side tongue to allow for a tighter fit. Inside corners also use the universal corner and standard panels to form an inside corner. In this installation, an additional row of weather barrier was needed to reach above the capstone prior to creating a transition to regular siding. Capstones can be installed on top of the Versetta Stone. Align the tongue in the groove and set into place, and use the approved fasteners to secure it to the wall. Versetta finishing adhesive can be used to create mortar joints in the capstone for a finished look.